This is my first install on camera. Okay, answer the question. Lace where? Hit me up. DM me or email me. Email me. Let's work together. Let's collaborate, okay? Look up. Lace wear. I ate. I know I ate. Wig company. See your new latest wig influencer. Look at how pretty I look on wig. Send me your wigs. Let me influence for you. Huh? Hey my loves, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do something I have never done on my YouTube page. And never. We are going to be, drum roll, installing a wig. I'm going to show you guys how I install. I am not a professional. I'm going to show you guys how I install my wig from start to finish. And do you know why I'm doing this? I'm doing it because mommy got herself a new wig. Mommy got herself a new wig. Are you seeing the lace? Oh yes, it's a new wig. Yes. So I have this urge to cut something, and we're going to be doing it on camera. Let's jump into the video. The first thing we're going to be doing is pinning this so I don't keep putting it. Yeah. Okay. The second thing we're going to be doing is drawing on a wig cap. The other wig cap that I have that's similar to my skin tone has finished, so we're going to be opting for this one. Yes, and then we throw on the wig to see if it fits me. So let's wear it. To be fair, I've worn it before, but let's pretend like I am not. Honey, are you seeing this beauty? Because you cannot tell me you're not seeing this beauty. You cannot tell me you're not seeing this beauty. You cannot tell me you're not seeing this beauty. Oh, let me bring the camera close. If you tell me that you cannot see this beauty, you're blind. You cannot see road, you're blind. So let's install this gorgeous unit, okay? The first thing I do is pin down this unit. Pin it so I can have access to the front. And then I pin down this other side. So the good thing about this wig is that it came pre-plucked, pre-styled, so the work is not going to be so much. Yeah, that's one thing I'm really excited about. And yeah, what I have to do next. And I hold it down like this. Like I said, this is how I install my own. I'm going to press this out a little bit, and we're going to go in with our got to be glue. It becomes sticky, I take it down, press it down, the next step is to tie it down with a band, because why not? And then I'm going to remove the clips. I've had this band on for like 5 minutes and I'm having a headache, so let's take it out. Ah, meltdown here. Ooh. Okay. 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 Okay, we're getting somewhere. Let's keep going. Okay. You get the urge to cut off that baby hair there. And yeah, we're going to follow the urge because so I forgot to tint the lace, but it's not that bad. We're going to just use the powder and just blend it to look like skin. Yeah, it's already working. Like you don't even need lace wear. Okay, answer the question. Lace wear. Lace wear, please explain to me where the lace is because I'm confused. Lace wear. Then I will just get the wig cap that fits my skin color because I don't know what's going on up there. This is my first install on camera and I think I did a pretty good job. I actually think I did a pretty good job. Here's an upper view of what the install looks like. Yeah. Yes, this is what. Yeah. I ate. I know I ate. You don't have to tell me. I ate. So this is the end of the video and this is the result we got. This is the result we got. Wig company, see your new latest wig influencer. Don't worry, we're going to learn more on how to install wig. Hit me, DM me or email me. Let's work together, let's collaborate, okay? Because look at lace wear, and outside is the lace wear. Look at how pretty I look on wig. Send me your wigs, let me influence for you. Let's work together. Please guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.